Thanks for all your support. How are you guys? Join me on my tour of the old city of Muscat. I am here at Al-Alam Palace, or also called Sultan Qaboos Palace. Al-Alam Palace is the ceremonial palace of the Sultan of Oman. It is used for official functions like welcoming foreign dignitaries and heads of state. Sultan Said bin Sultan had a palace built in the early 1800s on the foundations of the old seawall between Al-Mirani Fort and Al-Jalali Fort, built in the 16th century by the Portuguese. The palace was damaged by tribal insurgents in 1895, but Sultan Faisal bin Turki did not have it repaired due to lack of funds. In the 20th century, Sultan Said bin Taimur spent most of his time in Salalah and had the palace locked up. It was demolished in 1971 to make way for the new palace. The current palace, Qasr al-Alam, was commissioned by Sultan Qaboos bin Said and erected in the same place between the two forts. The palace was designed by Indian architects Shapurji Palonji in a very flamboyant style and was completed in 1972. It has a unique facade of gold and blue columns. The inner grounds of the palace remain off-limits, but members of the public are permitted to stop near the gates and take photographs. Al-Alam Palace is surrounded by the Portuguese-built Mirani and Jalali forts. Government buildings in the vicinity are white, with crenellated rooftops and wooden balconies in the traditional Omani style. The palace can also be viewed by boat from the harbor.